Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your background color, so let's get right into it. Now, on Weebly, what you can do to change your background color is you can edit any section of your site, such as this. As you can see here, I have an image for the background on the header, and on the main section of the site, I have this gradient, which I have set up. Now, to change your background, you just need to click the section you want to change it for, click Edit Background, and for example, let's say I want to replace this image with a color. You can click color, change color, and you can add whichever color you want. You can either add the code in hex, or you can just change the hue of your background like so. Select whichever color fits you best, and that's pretty much it. As you can see here, you can also set up gradients, so you can just go to edit background, select gradient. You can also select videos, however that does require an upgrade, but yeah, you just need to click change gradient, select whichever sort of color you would like. You can change the angle of the gradient as well, depending on your wishes. Excuse me. Sort of like this, and as you can see, that has now changed the gradient of our image, and that is pretty much all you can do. There really are no other options. You can change the color to whatever you want. You can have this sort of color bar, which you can edit to select whichever color fits you best, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.